As well as automatically importing orders, you can manually create them in Starshipit. In this tutorial, we'll run through how to create a manual order. In your Starshipit account, go to Orders, click Create Order, then select Outgoing. Enter the contact and address details and click Next. You can use the Lookup Contact function to search your address book or Lookup Address to search for any valid address. Here you can add new items and edit their details as required. Select your courier service and choose your delivery options. Finally, click Save Order or Print Labels. Check for links in the video description and visit our knowledge base for more helpful tips and tutorials.